Hey there, curious minds, welcome to a world where the more we discover, the more questions we seem to have. If you love a good mystery, you're in the right place, because today we're diving into some of the strangest puzzles that science just can't solve. At least not yet. You ever feel like the more we learn about the universe, the stranger it gets? Every time scientists think they've got things figured out, the universe throws a curveball that leaves everyone scratching their heads. Trust me, science is packed with mysteries that make even the smartest brains scratch their heads. Some of these questions have been around for decades, and despite all our technology and brain power, the answers are still out of reach. So let's dive into 5 of the weirdest scientific mysteries that still have experts stumped. First up, the WOW signal. This one's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Back in 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio caught a super strong 72-second radio burst from space. It was so unusual that the astronomer on duty circled the data and wrote "WOW" in red ink, giving the signal its famous name. Scientists circled it and wrote "WOW," but no one's ever heard it again. Despite years of searching, that exact signal has never repeated, and its source remains a total mystery. Was it aliens, a cosmic hiccup, a secret message from another civilization, or just a weird blip in the data? Nobody knows. The WOW signal is still one of the best candidates for an alien transmission, but without more evidence, it's just an unsolved riddle floating in space. Mystery number 2, why do we sleep? It sounds simple, but it's actually one of the biggest questions in biology. We spend about a third of our lives asleep, but scientists still can't fully explain why. Sure, sleep helps us rest, but science can't fully explain why every animal from humans to jellyfish needs to shut down for hours. Even creatures without brains like some jellyfish have sleep-like states. Why would evolution keep something so risky unless it was absolutely essential? Think about it, in the wild, sleeping makes animals vulnerable to predators. Yet every species does it. Is it just for the brain, or is there a deeper reason? Some scientists think sleep helps us process memories, others say it's for physical repair, but no one can agree on the main purpose. Is it just for the brain, or is there a deeper reason? The truth is, we're still in the dark about what really happens when we close our eyes each night. Now, for number 3, the placebo effect. This one is so strange, it almost sounds like magic. Ever heard of people getting better just because they believe they're being treated? Placebos are fake treatments like sugar pills, but sometimes they work just as well as real medicine. Doctors have seen patients recover from pain, depression, and even some physical symptoms, all because they thought they were getting real medicine. But why does this happen? How can belief alone trigger real changes in the body? Fake pills work like real ones in some cases, but why? The mind-body connection is powerful, but we don't fully understand how it works. Our brains are wild, and we still don't get how belief can heal the body. Some researchers think it's all about expectation and the brain's ability to release chemicals that help us heal, but the full story is still a mystery. 4th, dark matter and dark energy. These are the ultimate cosmic mysteries, and they make up most of the universe. Scientists say most of the universe is made out of stuff we can't see or touch, dark matter and dark energy. In fact, all the stars, planets, and galaxies we know about make up less than 5% of the universe. That means 95% of everything out there is invisible and undetectable, except for the way it affects gravity and the expansion of the universe. We know it's there, but we have no idea what it actually is. We know it's out there because of how galaxies move, but what is it? Totally up in the air. Some think dark matter is made of strange particles, while dark energy might be a force pushing the universe apart. But for now, it's all just guesswork. And finally, number 5, the Taos hum. This one is super weird and a little bit spooky. Imagine a town where people hear a low, mysterious hum for decades, but microphones can't pick it up. That's Taos, New Mexico. Only a small percentage of people can hear it, and it drives some of them crazy. Scientists have tried everything to find the source, testing for underground vibrations, hidden machines, even mass hallucination. But so far, no one has found a solid answer. The hum remains an unsolved riddle. Is it Earth sounds, mass hallucination? No one can agree. Some say it's just in people's heads, others think it's a real physical phenomenon. The debate goes on. So, which mystery blows your mind the most? Is it the cosmic signals, the secrets of sleep, the power of belief, the invisible universe, or the haunting hum? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more weird science. We've only scratched the surface. There are countless mysteries out there waiting to be solved. Who knows, maybe you'll be the one to crack the next big mystery. Stay curious, and keep exploring the unknown.